Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. Today I have another unboxing for you, and this time it's from Zhiyun, and it is the Zhiyun Molus X100 combo, which is the 100-watt COB lights.
Zhiyun are well known for their quality video and filmmaking accessories, especially their camera stabilizers, and now they have expanded their product range by including a bunch of super amazing lighting options. The bowen's mount is made of tough plastic, so there is no chance of this breaking when connected to a large softbox. We get a high quality carry case for the light. A little pouch to keep all your power cables in. Here we have the 120-watt power adapter, a Type-C cable for charging the battery and for your firmware updates. Here we have the 100-watt battery grip. You also get a light strap. A mini reflector, which is the ZY mount. And here we have the Molus X100 COB light. This light can be powered using the power adapter, the battery grip, or a high-powered PD power bank. This takes some getting used to.
And that brings about a quick end to this unboxing. On the next video, I will be showing you how to set up the device as well as how to use the software for it. So please hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss that. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.